Good morning, students. Now today we shall revise our topic 15th chapter probability. Now in this chapter, what is the meaning of probability? Probability is just a thing or event which can happen. An event which can happen. Like in case of a coin, how many cases we have? It can be head or it can be tail. When we toss a coin, it can be head or it can be tail. So the total cases, these are the total cases. So in case of a single coin, how many total cases we have? 2 total cases. And if suppose the thing which is in our favor, let us suppose we are saying that if we get head, only then we get our success. So here head case is in our favor, head is favorable cases. Okay, and how many favorable cases we have? Only one. So formula of probability is equal to favorable cases divided by total cases. So what is the formula for probability? Favorable cases divided by total cases. So how many favorable cases we have? 1, and the total cases 2. So what will be the probability in case of a single coin if we want that head appear? In that case probability is 1 by 2. Okay. Now similarly, if suppose we have 2 coins, so in case of a 2 coin, first tell me how many total cases we have. Total cases, let us suppose on the first coin if we have obtained head, on the second coin it can be tail, or on the second coin it can be head. But on the first coin it is not necessary that always we obtain head, it can be tail. If we obtain here tail, then on the second coin it can be head or it can be tail. So in case of a 2 coin, we obtain these 4 cases and total cases is 4. So total cases in case of a 2 coin is equal to 4. Okay. Similarly, if we have 3 coin, then how many total cases we obtain? In case of a 3 coin, suppose on the first coin, if we consider these cases, all these cases, on the first coin if it is head, second coin head, third coin head, second coin head, third coin tail. If it is tail, then head, it is tail, then tail, and head, head, head. All these 4 cases with combination of this head, we obtain these 4 cases. But these are the cases only when we obtain head on the first coin. But it is also possible that on the first coin that tail occurs, tail appear. If tail appears, then head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. So how many total cases we have in case of a 3 coin? Total cases is equal to 8. Total cases is equal to 8. So in case of a single coin, how many cases we have? 2 cases. In case of a 2 coin, how many cases we have? 4 cases. In case of a 3 coins, how many total cases we have? 8 cases. So this is the condition when we have coins. Now we have some questions based upon the coin, and next one is the condition of die. If suppose a die is given to us, in case of a single die, we know that on a single die, on a die, which numbers appear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers appears on a die. So when we consider these numbers, in this case again, total cases is equal to 6. And if suppose question is, we obtain success when we get a prime number on a die. So how many prime numbers we have? We know that 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. So these prime numbers are in our favor. So favorable cases is equal to 3 and the total cases is equal to 6. So what will be the probability? Probability is equal to favorable divided by total. So this is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer in this case. So this condition exists when we have a single die. If suppose two dice, we throw two dice, then what type of cases we obtain? In this case, first suppose on the first die we get 1. On the second die it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3 up to 1 6. If suppose on the first die if number is 2, then 2 1, 2 2, 2 3 up to 2 6. And similarly last number is 6 1, 6 2, 6 3 up to 6 6. So in this case how many total cases we have? 6 and 6 numbers in the row and 6 numbers in the column. So 6 into 6 is equal to 36. So total cases in case of a 2 die are 36 and in case of a single die total cases are 6. Now next we will solve some questions based upon this topic.